Hi there. In this video, we're checking out the TEAMGROUP T-Force Vulcan Z 1TB SSD. If you're looking for a great mix of reliable performance and excellent value, this is one of the top choices available right now. Opening it up, it's a straightforward unboxing. All you get inside is the SSD itself. The drive itself feels solid, featuring 2 screw holes on each side and 4 on the bottom for easy mounting. And right here, we have the standard SATA power and data connections. Next, let's get this drive tested. I'm going to use this external enclosure. We just slot the drive in, secure it with a few screws, and plug it right into our laptop. I'll be using this USB 3.2 cable to connect the enclosure to the laptop. Once it's powered on, it shows up immediately under Windows Disk Management. First, we need to initialize it. You can choose whichever partition style fits your setup, but for this test, I'm going with the MBR. Next, you just need to create a new simple volume. Simply follow the setup wizard, give it a name, and we're all set. The drive is ready to use. Now for a quick speed test. The results are really solid, especially running over a USB connection, so I'm definitely satisfied with how this performs. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!